Stream is live now.
This?
Yeah. Okay.
How many people is watching this?
Already 10.
10?
Yeah.
And this?
20.
And this is Russia program?
No, it's for everyone. Periscope.
Periscope?
Yeah. Already 16.
How many can...
It's program from Twitter.
Twitter? Really?
You can download it.
And
right now
everything is here?
Yeah.
Subscribers and everything?
Yeah.
Really?
It's very easy program.
Everyone can send here, you know.
No, without connection. Ждем наш вылет в Германию. Полетим в бизнесе первый раз. Паша. Привет, привет. Вот он таз. Своим суровым взглядом. Забрался меня сфоткать.
Who's your daddy?
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
When we played
can
against
ask
Simple. When we played against Simple. Someone was like, who's your daddy? And Simple was like, Taz. And then JW was joking around all the time.
Yeah.
Who's your daddy? Ask Simple.
Давай, Паша, расскажи что-то на стрим.
Huh?
Tell something.
My friend, I will join Navi. Zeus is out.
А? Да, но он с Лондоном едет, на чем только. Паша, you're not my friend, you're my brother, my friend.
Pasza, you are not my friend, you are my brother, my friend. Why they say send help?
It's like likes.
Likes.
Yeah. Okay, when I will stop, I will show you whole program. When I will stop stream, I will show you this program. Taz. Can you tell something about this tournament?
Very good, the best. Beautiful, beautiful. Best hotel, best shuttle, best sound, best everything was like
Best
amazing.
breakfast ever.
Everything was first time for me. Never been in this tournament. Never coming back. Never coming back.
Look at Taz legs, he never skip leg day.
Yeah, baby.
It's so big.
Look.
And look at Flamie.
Oh, flamie.
Flamie.
Never skip leg day.
Look at Pasha, he never skips breakfast.
And so, his legs.
Belly, belly.
How are you?
Who you?
Who are you? Вот так вот сидим, ждем наш вылет. Бизнес лаунж.
Boarding is when is boarding?
When is boarding? Boarding
30 minutes?
it's in 30 minutes.
Шабы
Паша skip leg day.
No. No. Show my leg. Show my leg. Look at this.
Stone.
Polish legs.
Polish leg. What is it?
Where?
This one.
This?
Yeah.
6 pack.
6 pack?
8 pack.
Show.
8 pack.
Sandbag.
Okay, fine. That's biceps.
That's beast.
Beast.
It's a Valuyev.
Valuyev?
Not even close.
That's teaching Valuyev how to boxing. That's born Valuyev.
Who is it?
Go Periscope.
This one?
Yeah.
Who are you? Who are you? He don't know who are he. Where you from? He don't know where he from.
Try to touch him.
Why?
Just for fun.
Now he will kill me.
Flamie is hungry.
He'll eat you.
Starix buy me business lunch.
Flamie,
You play suck insane. Suck ATM. You need to play more. Shit.
Kurwa matka. Yes, we're just going to Sweden and we are going to home. Because we are losers, we don't qualify to face it.
Flaminator, oh, Flaminator.
Terminator.
Flaminator,
So
yeah.
it's Terminator. Pasza, say hello.
How can I find
Tula.
you?
On Periscope?
Yeah.
Tula is
You
a
need to
girl
download
or
this program.
Tula is a girl or what?
So you need to follow me.
Oh, but Karina is streaming, sorry.
Okay.
Tula is a girl or what?
Huh?
Tula.
Karina is streaming.
Yeah.
Who?
Karina.
What is she?
Okay, I will stop my stream.
What is?
I will maybe enable it later.
Okay,
We will back.
Starix go.